So we're going to start by measuring the long sides of the sheet of paper. They are 17 inches long. We need to break that up in half. So notice my 0 aligns with the edge of my paper. The ruler has a sneaky little extra part right there. So I'm going to mark 8.5, which is half of 17, on the top long side. And I'm going to come to the bottom long side, and I'm also going to mark 8.5, the biggest mark between the 8 and the 9. And I'm going to use my ruler to connect those dots. So what I've done right now is split the paper perfectly in half. I'm going to make that line a little darker for you. I've split the paper perfectly in half. Now, I need to measure my short sides. I'm going to do it from this position. So I'm going to make sure I line 0 up with the edge of the paper once again. And this side is 11 inches, so half of 11 is 5.5. So I'm marking 5.5 on the short side, 5.5 on the other short side, and I'm actually going to need to mark somewhere in the middle as well because my ruler isn't long enough to reach both points. So I need another measurement mark in there. So along the middle line, I'm also going to mark 5.5, and I'm going to connect those dots. Eventually, we'll be cutting on these marks. And I'm going to choose one of those lines to erase so that I have one very long rectangle and two short ones. When that's finished, flip it over, write your name on the back, and you're all set. Time to start the drawing.